we'll guide you through how to remove border in WPS Office. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to remove page borders in WPS Office to make documents look cleaner and more professional. Borders can be distracting or unnecessary in reports, assignments, or official files. First, open Windows on your laptop to start the process. Next, open the Windows menu so you can access installed applications. In the search bar, type WPS Office to quickly locate the program. When it appears in the results, click Open to launch WPS Office. After the application opens, go to the menu on the left side of the screen where file options are displayed. Click the option to open a file so you can browse your documents. Choose a file that contains a visible page border that you want to remove. Once you have selected the correct file, click Open to load it into the workspace. When the document is fully displayed, move to the top menu where various editing tools are available. From this menu, select the Page Layout option to access layout settings. Under Page Layout, find and select the Page Border option to manage border styles. A new window will appear showing different border settings and customization tools. Inside this window, click on the Borders option to view available border types. Then go to the Settings section where different border configurations are listed. In this section, select None to remove the existing page border from the document. This choice will ensure that no border lines remain visible around the page. Before applying the change, look at the Preview section to confirm how the document will appear without the border. The preview helps you verify that the border has been removed correctly. If everything looks as expected, click OK to apply the changes. After clicking OK, the window will close and the document will update automatically. You should now see that the page border has been completely removed. Take a moment to review the entire document to ensure there are no remaining border elements. If needed, you can save the document to keep the changes. This simple process allows you to clean up the document layout and create a more professional appearance without unnecessary page borders.